Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in the previous video we have started lookups. So we completed in the previous video the Vlookup, and we also have gone through what does lookup means and how to use Vlookup. I hope you all are practicing it by yourself. So moving forward with the video, this is the second part of that explanation. Continuing with that, we'll be looking on what is concatenation, how to do concat. Okay, so what is concat? What does it do? So this function joins separate piece of text into one item. So you can see in this example, I have already done the concatenation here. I have concatenated C4 and D4. Okay, I'll just delete it, I'll remove it. What does concatenation mean? Concatenation means joining. Okay, as you can see, Alan is the first name and Jones is the second name. So what if our manager asks us to just tell me the whole name of the person? So writing manually will be a very challenging task. So for in that case, we will be using concatenate. Okay. Now how we will be using it? Simply we have to type equals to concatenate. Okay. The text that we want to concatenate, this, comma, this. The moment I hit the enter, I'll be getting the answer. So what does concatenate do? It just adds the both the alphabets. Okay, both the cells. It just added both the cells, Allen and Jones. It added the cell. But as you can see, this is not how a real person's name is written, right? We write it by giving a space at least. For an example, if there is Priya Singh, so we will be writing Priya space Singh. We never write Priya Singh in a continuation. So we want a space in between. How we will get it? In the formula bar, you can see here the formula that I have written. You just simply need a space in between. So how you will be giving? You will be using inverted comma, then space, then close the inverted comma, then again a comma, and then the moment you will hit the enter, you will get the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. This I have done just to create a space in between. Here whatever you will write, for an example, your manager wants you that before the last name of a person there should be a underscore. So if I place underscore here, I'll be getting Alan underscore Jones. Okay, so this is how you can manipulate the formula, and double clicking here will give you the answers for all the rows. Okay, this is the first case. Okay, when you will be using the concatenate function, concat we say. Okay, now the second case, this and, we can also use this and function. We can also use this and to add, and also adds up the two cells. Okay, as you can see in the formula bar, what I have done, I have just added H4 and HI4. Okay, so now just look at this. Okay, if I remove this whole of the thing, okay, so how we will be doing, we'll be selecting the cell, and then we will be taking an and, then we'll be selecting the another cell and pressing the hitting the enter, we'll be getting this answer, same as the concatenate. Excuse me guys. So and also performs the same function also. Okay, but if I want a space in between, so how I'll do, I'll just take this and I'll hit the enter, I'll get the answer. Okay, double clicking here will give you the answers for each and every cell of the row. Okay, So I hope the concatenate function is very much clear to you. This is not very much hard. You can easily understand it. Okay then guys, thanks for watching this video. We will meet you in another lecture. Till then, have a good day.